Money line number 1. It's just a few dollars. That little coffee, that quick snack, that tiny subscription you forgot about. On their own, they feel meaningless. But here's the gentle truth. Small leaks sink big ships. A few dollars a day quietly becomes hundreds a month and thousands a year. I'm not saying never enjoy your coffee. I'm saying notice it. Once a week, look at where your small dollars actually go. You'll often find a quiet little fortune hiding inside habits you didn't even remember having. Money line number 2. I deserve it. After a long, hard week, your mind says you've earned a reward, so you spend to feel better. And you do deserve good things, truly. But notice how often deserve becomes an excuse to buy something you didn't plan for. The gentle shift is this. You don't have to earn rest or joy by spending money. A walk, a nap, a quiet evening, time with people you love. These reward you too, and they cost nothing. Let your treats be a choice, not an automatic reaction to a hard day. Money line number 3. I'll start investing when I have more money. This one feels responsible, but it quietly costs you the most. Because in investing, time matters far more than the amount. A small sum invested today can grow more than a large sum invested years later, thanks to compounding. You don't need to be rich to start. You can begin with a tiny amount, automatically, this month. The goal isn't to invest a lot right now. It's to simply start, so time can quietly do the heavy lifting for you. Money line number 4. Debt is just normal. Everyone has a card balance, a car loan, a little something owed, so it starts to feel harmless. But debt quietly steals from your future self to pay for your present. Those minimum payments feel small, yet the interest can follow you for years. Here's the calm approach. Pick your smallest debt first, and gently overpay it, while staying current on the rest. When it's gone, roll that money into the next one. One quiet win at a time. You slowly set your future self free. Money line number 5. More money will finally make me happy. So you chase the next raise, the next upgrade, the next thing. And each one feels amazing. For a little while, until it quietly becomes your new normal. This is called the hedonic treadmill. Always running, never arriving. The gentle truth is this. Money buys real peace when it removes stress, not when it chases status. So fund your calm first. Savings, security, freedom. Then enjoy the extras knowing they're a bonus, not the source of your happiness.